Good morning, everyone. Okay, what I got up here, I've got the Aussie US 4 hour time frame, and to be fair, it was strange actually. I was thinking it would just sort of like staircase up a little bit higher and present a bit of a sell trade, but right now, like if we go to the daily chart, you can sort of see it's been been a no man's land. I mean, you could um, if you're being aggressive, you could sort of put a pending sell order at the low here of this candle at 71.05. Our stop loss pretty much at the 20-day moving average, or at the high of the candle, at like 71.58 or 59. You probably round it up to. Personally, it's just very congested. There's no trend clearly there, so you're sort of taking your trade, take a trade, and the setup's not really quite there. Apologies, I'm just going to sip this a little bit. So it's been quite the week, to be honest. I've been watching the US equity market as well, which is, it works out well because Forex is pretty limited. But I will be going over to Queensland or the Gold Coast next week, and I'll be refining some, lower time frame strategies, some scalping strategies. So stay tuned for more videos about that on how that goes. I don't know if I'll be able to share everything because the gentleman Tony, they're just sharing the information with me. It's his sort of software and stuff, so we'll have to wait and see on whether I'll probably be sharing the results. I won't be sharing how everything works and things like that, just to sort of protect his edge. So, but again, more updates to come on that, so, and how it goes and that fun stuff. All right, so let's go to the euro as well. It looks like there is a little bit of US dollar strength as well. So this is interesting. Gosh. What I'll do, I'll wait for the Asian session to trade, and then 4 or 5 o'clock I might look at putting a pending order at the low of that candle. Low of that candle would be 14955. So just in that bottom of that screen, that's where the low of the candle is. That's what I'm reading off where it says L and then okay. Yeah, man, Euro's sort of turning there. That's interesting. Now, one thing I will say is that you want to treat this as like a zone. It's not an exact point. So price might come through a little bit and then pop back up again. But even if it gets down here, I mean, the stop loss would be at the 55-day moving average. It's about 1.15425 or so. There's a potential there. So euro is a potential sell. Aussie, not so much. Like the euro's actually proven to be. I don't know if this was dialogue or something in regards to what's happening in Italy or anything. I don't keep too in touch with the news. I follow Bloomberg and things like that. But if you see something like that, obviously something's happened to trigger that. So it doesn't really matter too much as long as you're sort of prepared to trade that. A little recovery on the yen as well, USD yen. Nothing quite there for me though. Resistance. I'm just gonna let that go. And Kiwi doing? What's up, Kiwi? So it's interesting, but again, it's right up against that support level, which is respected a lot. As you can see, I've made a few plays at this one. So this, I don't know what that candle is there for. It's an interesting, like, rogue candle. Or weekly. Thank you. Interesting. I'm not too sure about that. I'm going to delete that candle because it's just bothering me in my OCD. Alright, so Kiwi not so much. I want to see what the pound's doing briefly. I don't have a lot of time to be on the charts, so this will be a usual quick video on the pound. Just like I've said before, range bound, and obviously we're talking high time frames, but it's no buy trade, it's no real sell trade. I'll leave that. So euro, US dollar is the main play for potential sell. I'll wait for Asia to trade out, so 4 or 5 o'clock. Follow me on Twitter at Trade Talk Pippin. Low of that candle is 14955. Stop up at around 15425 or so. And that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.